Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best meat tenderizers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the ZXZ Meat Tenderizer. Unlike the hammer-shaped tools, this product will take up much less place in your kitchen, making it ideal for places with a space crunch. Moreover, the product can be used for a number of different kinds of meat and fish. Hence, you can take care of almost any tenderizing with this item. Further, the handle of the tenderizer has been thoughtfully given ridges resembling that of the fingers. So, it molds to the shape of your hand, giving you a comfortable grip. The item works by creating small heat channels throughout the meat. This cuts down the time required to marinate the meat to as much as 30 minutes. Moving on at number 9, we have the KitchenAid Meat Tenderizer. Although this may not be the Hulk's hammer, it will be more than sufficient to take care of any piece of meat in your kitchen. More than that, this product comes with double benefits. The tool is double-sided. On the flat side, you will be able to pound the meat. On the other hand, the grooved side will tenderize your meat in almost no time. Also, this product makes use of aluminum for the metal used for the tenderizer. For this reason, while the tenderizer is sturdy enough to take care of the meat, it will feel really light on your hands. Hence, you can move it easily without pulling a muscle. At number 8, we have the Aomgd Meat Tenderizer. The primary aim of this tenderizer is quality. Hence, the product makes use of none other than stainless steel for the prongs of the item. Steel is known widely for its durability. Evidently, this tenderizer will provide you with complaint about free service for a really long time. Further, because of the steel, you do not have to worry about any rust deposits getting into your food either. Besides, with this product, you will be able to escape the smashed look of the meat. And it comes with pounding with hammers. The item doubles as a flavor enhancer, by making the spices reach deep through the thickness of the meat. At number 7, we have the new Aomgd Grips Meat Tenderizer. This product has been carefully designed keeping various practical necessities in mind. The product gives equal weightage to functionality and comfort. The handle of the tool is smooth and soft, so your hand does not get easily strained. Besides, if you are a little clumsy, the handle proves to have a non-slip grip as well. Hence, provides good traction even when the handle is wet. Most importantly, with this item, you do not have to worry about any health hazards. The product is completely free from any BPA that gives an edge over other products. At number 6, we have the Norpro Meat Tenderizer. Putting much thought into the product, you will achieve praiseworthy results every single time with this. Even if you are not much skilled in cooking, this will let you be one. The tenderizer has a cap at the end of the prongs. This can be penetrated through to work on the meat. Hence makes sure the prongs enter straight down, without slipping and slashing through the meat, giving it an uneven appearance. The item proves to be a great option for those who cannot apply much muscle effort to the meat. With the availability of the spring action, all the muscle power required is taken care of by the item. At number 5, we have the XSpecial Meat Tenderizer. With the efficient design of this item, you will be able to take different types of meat from red meat to white meat with precision. The product boasts as many as 48 blades, not requiring you to beat down your piece of meat anymore. When consumables are concerned, no risks can be afforded when it comes to interfering with toxins. Keeping that in mind, this tenderizer is made sure to be free from the presence of any BPA. For the people suffering from an arthritis problem, you will be glad to know that this item is arthritis-friendly as well. At number 4, we have the Spring Chef Meat Tenderizer. While some hammers might need a lot of effort causing your hands to easily get tired, this meat tenderizer stands apart from those. The product has a unique weighted head, which takes advantage of gravity to get most of the job done. Owing to the soft grip handle of the item, you can keep working for a long time. And that also without feeling any added strain on your hand even if you have arthritis. Besides, because of the chrome plating, this item can be even washed in hot water without any worry. For giving the right texture and grip, this has aluminum construction. At number 3, we have the HIC Meat Tenderizer. This product is truly one of its kind among the meat tenderizers. Instead of the hammer side heads, this product allows you to alternate between both the heads, which makes controlling the tenderizer much more user-friendly. This tenderizer has zinc with chrome plating. This gives the tool sufficient sturdiness to last for being aged without any problem. The smooth side takes care of any flattening job, so you can enjoy some delicious cutlets. Besides, being the owner of the title of Amazon's Choice, this product lets the performance do the talking. At number 2, we have the Aliglow Meat Tenderizer. This product puts great emphasis on comfort while designing the product. The tool makes use of silicone for the handle of the item. While the silicone has a smooth and soft surface for gripping which gives ergonomic comfort. Plus, it also turns out to be reliable when it comes to durability. Because of the great strength of the item, this tool can handle much more than just taking care of the meat. From crushing ice to nuts, or even tough crabs, this tenderizer will serve as an all-rounder around your kitchen. And finally at number 1, we have the Lasting Charm Meat Tenderizer. If you want to escape any possible manual labor required for tenderizing, this will be the ideal option for you. This product gets the task done with the mere press of a switch. Because of this reason, the tenderizer also pays extra attention to safety. The tool has a built-in safety lock, which can save you from any unwanted mishaps. Not only that, but the tenderizer also comes with a protective cap. As a result, you do not run any chances of getting your skin cut on the sharp blades of the product. Besides, with this product, the meat will not be destroyed, as the tissues are not damaged while the tool works its magic.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.